My Beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, my name is Tati. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you do and you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button to be part of the TatyBeauty squad. I'm right now in a different setup. I'm right here at my son's room. Today I'm gonna be trying out the Nicka 24K Gold Primer Oil. This is how it looks like. It has all of the gold sprinkle or glitter on the bottom, and all of the rest are the oil. This is how they look when you shake it out.
Girl, I like your way